When water is heated from 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius, then its volume dash increases, decreases, fast increases, then decreases, remains unchanged. भाई सियाड़े जाओ जाओ घर भितर जाओ जाओ चुपचाप जीवन ना जाओ ଶୁଭୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଶୁଭୁଛି।
Decreases when water is heated from 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius, then its volume decreases. Celsius temperature is dash: relative temperature, absolute temperature, specific temperature, approximate temperature. Relative temperature. If X is the temperature of system in Kelvin and Y is the temperature of system in degree centigrade, then correct relation between them is what? X is equal to 273 plus Y, X is equal to 273 minus Y, X is equal to 173 plus Y, X is equal to 173 minus Y.
x is equal to जोटा माइनस
तो 73 प्लस वाई
Plus Y बिल्कुल. X is equal to 273 plus Y माने Kelvin is equal to 273 plus degree centigrade. Surface temperature of sun is nearly dash 2000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, 6000 Kelvin, 8000 Kelvin.
6000 केल्विन
6000 Kelvin. What is absolute zero temperature? Starting point of any temperature scale. Temperature at which material are in vapor form. Theoretically the lowest possible temperature. Temperature at which vapor of any liquid substance freezes. What is absolute zero temperature? Theoretically the lowest possible temperature. Cryogenic temperature is the temperature which is dash less than 150 degree Celsius, more than 150 degree Celsius, less than minus 150 degree Celsius, 273 degree Celsius. Less than minus 150 degree Celsius. In which parameter of temperature does not occur negative value? Celsius, Kelvin, Fahrenheit, Reaumur.
केल्विन
Kelvin बिल्कुल
केल्विन
Kelvin. The safest temperature for keeping the food fresh in a refrigerator is dash 4 degree Celsius, 8 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius, 10 degree Celsius. 4
4
degree
डिग्री
Celsius, 4 degree Celsius. What is the purpose of thermostat? To measure the temperature, to increase the temperature, to stabilize the temperature, to convert the temperature into electricity.
स्टेबलाइज टेम्परेचर
Stabilize temperature, बिल्कुल. The normal temperature of human body in Kelvin scale is dash 280 Kelvin, 290 Kelvin, 300 Kelvin, 310 Kelvin.
300 केल्विन
310 310 Kelvin. At higher altitudes, boiling point of liquids dash increases, decreases, remains same.
डिक्रीजेस
Decreases,
डिक्रीजेस
decreases. Water is good coolant and used to cool the engines of cars, buses, and trucks because water has a dash high specific heat, high boiling point, low surface tension, low expansivity.
स्पेसिफिक हीट
High specific heat, बिल्कुल. Heat given to a body which raises its temperature by 1 degree Celsius is known as what?
Specific heat.
Option hela thermal capacity, water equivalent, specific heat, temperature gradient.
Specific heat.
Temperature gradient.
Thermal capacity. Heat given to a body which raises its temperature by 1 degree Celsius is known as thermal capacity. When an iron ball is heated, the maximum percentage increase will be in its what? Diameter, surface area, volume, density.
Surface area.
Volume. When ice melts, then its dash. Mass increases, mass decreases, volume decreases.
Volume increases.
Increases.
Volume decreases. When ice melts, then its volume decreases. Next. Which of the following elements was first produced artificially? Neptunium, plutonium, technetium, francium.
Plutonium.
Plutonium.
Technetium. Technetium. Which of the following is a transition metal? Aluminum, manganese, magnesium, calcium.
Manganese.
Manganese.
Manganese. Which of the following alkali metals has lowest melting point? Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium.
Rubidium.
Sodium.
Cesium. What is the common characteristics of third and fourth group of oxides? दरकार नहीं. The elements of a group in the periodic table dash have similar chemical properties, have consecutive atomic numbers, are isobars, are isotopes.
Consecutive atom number.
Consecutive atomic number.
9. The elements of a group in the periodic table have similar chemical properties.
Period ହେଲେ consecutive.
Hmm. Which of the following is not a periodic property in the periodic table? Atomic size, valency, radioactivity, electronegativity.
Radioactivity.
Radioactivity.
Atomic size.
Radioactivity. Who has made the statement atomic number of an element is a more fundamental property than its atomic mass? ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିନି କିଏ ଜାଣିଛ କିଏ କହିଥିଲେ
Option.
ଅପସନ୍ ବି ଜାଣିନି
Mendeleev ନହେଲେ Mosley.
Mostly.
ମୋସ୍ଲେ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ହେନରୀ ମୋସ୍ଲେ Name the harmful chemical used in bread preparation. Ethyl bromate, potassium bromate, calcium carbonate, methyl chloride.
Calcium carbonate.
Potassium bromate. Which chemical substance is used for making rat poison? Ethyl alcohol,
G.
ethyl alcohol, methyl isocyanide, potassium cyanide, ethyl isocyanide.
Ethyl isocyanate.
Potassium cyanide. Potassium cyanide is used for making rat poison. If someone is suffering from the problem of acidity, what is remedy? Lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda, blueberry juice.
Baking soda.
Lemon.
Baking soda,
Baking
baking
soda.
soda. Acid মানে বেশ দরকার. Hypo solution used in photography is an aqueous solution of what? Sodium thiosulfate, sodium tetrathionate, sodium sulfate, ammonium persulfate. ହାଇପୋସଲଫେଟ୍ ଜଣା ଥିବ।
Sodium sulfate.
ସୋଡିୟମ ଥାୟୋସଲଫେଟ୍। Which of the following substance is used in preservation of foodstuff? Citric acid, potassium chloride, sodium benzoate, sodium chloride.
Sodium
Sodium
benzoate.
Sodium
benzoate.
benzoate.
Sodium benzoate. Which of the following is the most reactive metal? Calcium, sodium, iron, potassium.
Sodium.
Potassium.
Potassium.
Sodium.
Potassium.
Sodium.
Potassium. Potassium, then sodium, then calcium, then magnesium. Metal which reacts instantly with water. Sodium, magnesium, iron, aluminum.
Sodium.
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 Which of the following metals can be cut by a knife? Silver, zinc, aluminum, sodium.
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 Which of the following elements is kept safe by dipping in kerosene?
Sodium.
Sodium.
Sodium, potassium.
Sodium, bilkul. The chemical used as a fixer in photography is what? Sodium sulfate, sodium thiosulfate, ammonium persulfate, borax.
Borax.
Sodium thiosulfate.
Borax.
Sodium thiosulfate, bilkul. Sodium metal should be stored in what? Alcohol, kerosene, water,
Kerosene.
hydrochloric.
Kerosene.
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 Kerosene. Which of the following is the chemical formula of washing soda? NaHCO3, Na2CO3 10H2O, NO2CO3 5H2O, NaOH.
Na2CO3 10H2O.
NaCO3.
10 H2O.
Bilkul. Na2CO3 10H2O. Which of the following metals is alloyed with sodium to transfer heat in a nuclear reactor? Which of the following metals is alloyed with sodium to transfer heat in a nuclear reactor? Potassium, magnesium, calcium, strontium.
Potassium.
Potassium, bilkul. Potassium is alloyed with sodium to transfer heat in a nuclear reactor. Which of the following chemicals is used as washing soda? Sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate.
Sodium
Sodium car.
bicarbonate.
ଏବେ
Washing
କହିଥିଲ
soda କହିଲେ ବା sodium
ଏବେ
carbonate.
Sodium carbonate.
Sodium carbonate.
କାର୍ବୋନେଟ୍
Washing soda. हाँ. Sodium.
Na2CO3 10H2O ଏବେ କହିଲି 10H2O Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. The chemical name of baking soda is what? Na2CO3, NaHCO3, CaCO3, NaOH.
NaHCO3.
SCO3.
CO3.
2 ହବନି NaHCO3. Chemical name of baking soda is NaHCO3 sodium bicarbonate.
HCl. Bicarbonate.
Potassium permanganate is used for puring drinking water because it kills germs. It is an oxidizing agent. It is a reducing agent.
Oxidizing agent.
Oxidizing
बिल्कुल
agent.
बिल्कुल फॉर्मूला कौन पोटासियम परमांगनेट
KMNO4.
KNO3. KMNO4.
KMNO4. Which of the following materials is used suitable for water purification? Asbestos, quartz, zeolites, silicones. Zeolites. Zeolites is suitable for water purification. ZEOLITE. Which of the following is used for water softening? दरकार नहीं जानी था Na6P6O18. Na6P6O18. Sodium hexametaphosphate. Sodium hexametaphosphate. Sorry, phosphate. এটা হলা used করা যায় for water softening. Antacids are commonly used to get rid of acidity in stomach. A commonly used antacid is dash. Sodium hydrogen phthalate,
Milk of
magnesium
magnesia.
hydroxide, manganese acetate, calcium hydroxide,
magnesium hydroxide,
magnesium hydroxide बिल्कुल कौन कहती ताकू पॉपुलरली
milk of magnesia,
Wriggling of
milk of
magnesia.
magnesia. What are ruby and sapphire chemically known as? Lead tetraoxide, aluminum oxide, silicon dioxide, boron nitride.
फास्ट कौन कहली
Lead tetraoxide, Al2O3, aluminum oxide. Which of the following chemicals is used in foam fire extinguishers? Foam fire extinguishers. Aluminum sulfate, copper sulfate, cobalt sulfate, nickel sulfate.
Cobalt sulfate.
Aluminum sulfate. Aluminum
Aluminum sulfate.
sulfate. Chemical formula of sapphire is what? NO2, N2O, Al2O3, Al3O2.
L2O3,
Al2O3 बिल्कुल. Which is called as Chinese white. Which compound is called Chinese white? Lead oxide, mercuric oxide, lead peroxide, zinc oxide.
Zinc oxide.
बिल्कुल ZNO, zinc oxide. Chinese white. Galvanized iron is coated with what? Aluminum, galena, zinc,
zinc,
silver.
Zinc.
Zinc.
zinc,
Cool. Which is used as rat poison? Zinc sulfide, zinc phosphide, lead sulfide, calcium phosphate.
Zinc sulfide.
Zinc phosphide, Zn3P2. Zn3P2. Zinc phosphide is used as rat poison. Which of the following is called philosopher's wool? Zinc bromide, zinc nitrate, zinc oxide, zinc chloride. Zinc oxide, ZNO. What is used to prevent rusting in iron? Zinc, chlorine, copper, magnesium.
zinc,
Zinc.
Zinc. बिल्कुल. ए ए ए जा सियाड़े जा जा ए सियाड़े जा जा सुबिबो गो रेकॉर्ड होउची Which of the following protocols may be used for accessing www? HTTP, SMTP, SLIP, none of these.
HTTP.
STTP.
HTTP.
HTTP. Web pages are created in a language called what? SLIP, HTML, HTTP, www.
HTML.
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 HTML, bilkul. On what type of switching does internet work? Circuit switching, bit switching, packet switching, line switching.
Packet
Packet
switching.
switching.
Packet switching. A network spreading in different geographical locations is known as what? LAN, WAN, both, none of these.
Both.
One.
WAN, WAN,
None of these.
WAN, wide area
One.
network. In which layer of network architecture the secure socket layer SSL is used? Physical, session, presentation, application.
Physical.
Session.
Presentation layer. Secure socket layer SSL is used. The media access control sublayer resides in which OSI layer? The media access control sublayer resides in which OSI layer? Transport, physical, network, data link.
Data link.
Network.
Data link. Data link layer. A DAS can forward packets across different networks that may also use different protocols. A DAS can forward packets across different networks. Repeater, gateway, bridge, router.
Gateway. Gateway.
Gateway. Gateway. In symmetric key cryptography, for encrypting and decrypting message, the key is dash. Private, public, same, different.
Different.
In symmetric key cryptography, for encrypting and decrypting the message, the key is same. Which protocol finds the MAC address from IP address? Which protocol finds the MAC address from IP address? SMTP, ICMP, ARP, RARP.
ICIP.
IARP, address resolution protocol. Which protocol finds the MAC address from IP address? ARP. The structure of format of data is called what? Syntax, struct, semantic, none of these. Structure of format of data. It's called
Sim-
syntax.
Cementing.
Syntax. The first network was what? ASAPNet, ARPANET, NFSNet, CNNet.
ARPANET.
ARPANET.
ARPANET. Bluetooth is an example of dash local area network, virtual private network, personal area network, none of these.
LAN.
Personal area.
LAN.
बिल्कुल पान.
Personal.
Personal area
PAN.
network. A set of rules that governs data communication is what? Rule, medium, protocol, link.
Protocol.
Protocol.
Protocol. IP address consists of dash parts separated by dots.
Four.
Charthili aguru 4 parts. Which of the following transport layer protocol is used to support electronic mail? SMTP, IP, TCP, UDP.
SMTP.
IP.
TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, is used to support electronic mail. MAN stands for what?
Metropolitan.
Metropolitan area network.
Metropolitan Area Network. Which is a most reliable topology? Boss, ring, mesh, star.
Boss.
Mesh topology is the most reliable one. If a computer network cable is broken, whole network goes down. In which topology? Star, ring, mesh, all are correct. If a computer network cable is broken, whole network goes down.
Boss.
Boss nahi option there.
Star.
Ring topology.
Uh,
In a computer network, which of the following is a connecting device? Router, switch, hub, all are correct.
Router.
All are
All,
correct. All are
all.
connecting devices. The amount of data transmitted in a fixed amount of time is called what? Refresh rate, resolution, frequency, bandwidth.
Bandwidth.
Bandwidth, बिल्कुल. In which layer of network architecture secure socket layer is used? Author
Presentation layer.
presentation, बिल्कुल. Author the network protocol which is used to get MAC address by providing IP address is what?
ADS.
Indian protocol.
ARP, address resolution protocol. Which of the following protocol is used for transferring email messages from one machine to another? FTP, SMTP, SNMP, Telnet,
SMTP.
SMTP.
SMTP. Ethernet uses an address of length dash bits for identifying stations. Ethernet uses an address of length dash bits 48, 64, 32, 16.
32.
64.
32.
48 bits. Ethernet uses an address of length 48 bits for identifying stations. In PPP, মানে point to point protocol, network layer options are negotiated using which protocol? In PPP, network layer options are negotiated using which protocol? Link control protocol, network control protocol, dynamic host control protocol, internet protocol. Full form भी पढ़े. DHCP, dynamic host control protocol. A dash is used to interconnect two networks at the data link layer. A dash is used to interconnect two networks at data link layer. Hub, bridge, repeater, router.
Bridge.
Bridge.
Router.
Bridge, bridge. Bridge is used to interconnect two networks at data link layer. Which protocol is used to configure host computers automatically for obtaining IP? Which protocol is used to configure host protocols automatically for obtaining IP? HDLC, DNS, ICMP, DHCP. ଏବେ କହିଥିଲେ.
TL. Dynamic control.
बिल्कुल डायनामिक होस्ट कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल DHCP is used to configure host computers automatically for obtaining IP.